This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Rogue key fob only way. First, slide the small release to remove the mechanical key, then set it aside safely. Next, wedge a thin flat tool into the seam and apply steady pressure to pop the shell apart. Work slowly to avoid snapping plastic tabs and keep track of the tiny battery and spring. Reassemble by aligning tabs and snapping halves back together securely. In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Rogue key fob only way. Start by gathering a thin flathead screwdriver or pry tool and a clean work surface with good light. Place a small container nearby to keep the battery and any tiny parts safe while you work. If the battery looks old or corroded, have a CR2032 replacement ready to swap in quickly after opening the fob to restore function. In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Rogue key fob only way. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes downtime fun while you wait for parts, and it fits in glove compartments easily. If you are finding this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content like this. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Rogue key fob only way. Begin by sliding out the mechanical key to expose the seam, then insert your pry tool at the notch. Twist gently and work around the perimeter until the two halves separate without forcing any tab. Note the battery orientation before removing the cell, replace with a fresh CR2032 if needed, and press each button to confirm proper reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.